Hi friends, this is the aptitude number 5 part 3. We are just talking about the permutation and combination. Again, my request to everyone that if you are preparing for any exam, okay, then you must think at first this is the aptitude, it is the common for all entrance exam. Okay, my request to everyone that please like and subscribe to encourage us, so we will upload more videos for your success. And you must also note these questions, it has come in your exam maximum times. So we are solving only that questions which has come maximum times. Okay, so we will discuss. Find the number of ways in which 4 identical balls can be distributed among 6 identical boxes. Okay, if not more than 1 ball goes into a box, so you have total number of 6 identical boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 identical boxes. All boxes are identical. Okay, there is no difference. So you have to place 4 ball. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to place 4 ball in these boxes. Okay. You can also think these are the 4 boys. This is the boy, and this is also boy, and this is also boy, and these are the girls. These are the girls. You can also think like this. Okay, no problem. These are the girls. If you want to just make this question to interest. So how many ways these 4 boys can marry to these 6 girls, and all the girls are identical. Okay, all the girls are identical. And the boys are also identical. Identical means the same. They are not thinking about this is girl Sheila, Munni, Pooja, something. They are not thinking. All the girls are same. And here all the boys are same. Okay. So how will you place these 4 balls in these 6 identical boxes? So you have to think number of the identical boxes are, number of the identical balls are 4 at first. Okay. These are the identical balls. And the number of the identical boxes are 6. These are 6 and these are 4. Okay. Now distributing 4 identical boxes among 6 identical boxes where not more than 1 ball goes into a box implies to select 4 boxes from among the 6 boxes, which can be done very simple by this method. You have total number of 6. Out of 6 you have to select 4. Okay, out of 6 you have to select 4. So this is the selection method. So you are using the combination. You have 6 options. Out of 6 you have to choose 4. Out of 6 you have to choose 4. Okay, so this is the method. So this is 6 factorial and this is 4 factorial, and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 factorial. This is the answer. Very simple. Now question number 2, find the number of diagonals of a polygon. Find the number of diagonals of a polygon of 12 sides. You have this time a polygon. Okay, the polygon is this. Okay, so this is the hexagon, but this you have this such type of polygon. It has 12 sides. So how many number of diagonals he is asking? How many diagonals in this diagonal means if you just joining 2 points, this and this and this and these are the diagonal. Okay. So he is asking how many diagonals. In the diagonal, you know that diagonal it can be made by the help of 2 points. Okay, if you are joining 2 points, then you can draw the diagonal. Okay, so total number of sides are 12. But if you are joining this 2 points, this is not diagonal because this is the side. Okay, this is side already, and this is also side. Okay, so we will not think about such type of the adjacent point. Okay, these are the adjacent point. Whenever you are joining the adjacent point in this condition, you are getting the side. Okay, so how will you solve this question? Very simple. I am giving you one example. The formula is a polygon of m sides. Okay, a polygon, you have actually total number of m side and if you are joining 2, then this is your required answer. Okay, but whenever you are joining such type of points, so how many points are such type of points are here? This is the hexagon, so there are only 6 points. If you have this polygon 12 sides, then you have total number of 12 sides. So you have to remove these adjacent these sides. So minus m. This is the required answer. Means 12c2 minus 12. This is the answer. Number of the diagonals of a polygon. Okay. Now you have to solve it. Okay. Very, very simple. This question also you can also think also number of handshake. How many number of handshake between two people? Okay. This is also very simple. So what is the answer? Answer is 12 factorial upon 2 factorial. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10 factorial. Okay. So 12 into 11 into 10 factorial. 10 cancel. This is 66. 66 minus 12 is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, and 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. This is answer. Okay. Very, very simple. If you are not getting this question, I am solving this interesting question. You know that this time the coronavirus, so it is not necessary to handshake. So now we are just solving that how many handshake can possible. Suppose some people have coronavirus, okay, and one person he has handshake with many people. So after the handshake, the all people have been infected. So we are calculating how many people can be infected. We can think also by the help of this question. In a party, every person shakes hand with every other person. So here all the people. So this is the person, okay, this is another person, this is another person. This person is handshaking to this one, and this is also this one. But this is also this one, okay. In a party, every person handshake with every other person. If there was total 210 handshake, this question it has come many times in IAS exam, okay, and also in UPSC exam, and also in GATE exam, okay, and also in CDS exam, okay, you can check. So I am not mentioning here. In a party, every person handshake with every other person. If there was total 210 handshake in a party, find the number of persons who are present in the party. So if there are total number of 210 handshake, so how many people were there? Very, very simple. If you got this problem, then this is also very simple. NC2. Because if two people are close to each other, then they handshake, okay. So two hands are connecting. There are total number of n hand and two hands are connecting, then there is a handshake. This is the definition, okay. So but this is the definition, okay. So this is total number of 210. Now you can calculate what is this. So your answer is n factorial upon 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial is equal to 210, okay. So this is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial upon 2, and this is n minus 2 factorial. This and this cancel is equal to 210. Now this value it will come here. In this condition, this is n into n minus 1 is equal to 2, 0 is 0, 2 1 is 2, and 2 2 is 4, 420. Okay. Now your answer it is n into n. This is n square minus n, and minus 420 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation, okay. So this is the, okay, n square minus n minus 420 is equal to 0. So this is now you have to solve by this method. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a 4ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Whenever you have such type of equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then your x root of such equation is equal to this. You have to use this method, then you can calculate. Okay, very, very simple. So how many handshake are here? Already I have done. So there are total number of handshakes, the total number of persons are 21. Total number of handshake are 210. Okay, so you have to solve this one, then you will get result n is equal to 21. Also to n is equal to 21 you can put, then your answer it will be 0. Very, very simple. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4. So in the question number 4, find the number of triangles. Find the number of triangles formed by 11 points. You have total number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You have total number of 11 points. Okay. And he is asking how many, find the number of triangles. By the help of these points, how many triangles can be formed? You must think, also he has given out of which 5 are collinear. 5 are collinear means 5 points are in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are in a line. And rest of these are not collinear. Okay, so these are in a plane, you can also think. So in this condition, you know that triangle can be made if you are joining 3 points. If you are joining 3 points, then the triangle can be made. But you are joining also 3 points here, so this is not triangle, this is the straight line. Okay, so this is not the definition that when in a plane you are joining 3 points, then it will be become the triangle. Okay, so if these lines are not collinear, then it will be triangle. Okay, suppose one point is here. In this condition, if you will join, then this is the triangle. So total number of points are 11. Total number of points are 11. Whenever you are joining 3, you are selecting. Okay, selection process. So this is the combination. Total number of 11 points. If you are selecting 3, so you will you will get the triangle. Okay, but 5 points are in a plane. These 5 points are in a plane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you will join any 3 point, then it will be never become triangle. So we will remove this one, 5C3. This is your required answer. So your answer is 11 factorial upon 3 factorial. 11 minus 3 is equal to 11 minus 3 factorial minus 5 factorial, and this is 3 factorial, 5 minus 3 factorial. So if you will solve it, then you will get 155. Okay, now you can solve it. Very, very simple. I think that you are getting everything. My request to everyone that please share to your friends, okay, for their success. Thank you so much.